finally po ay nakuha ko ng aking OCI. Guys, so I am already a citizen of India. Ayan guys, oh. That is what you call Shikanji. Guys, good morning! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So ngayon, nasa sasakyan kami ni Milan kasi maaga kaming nagising. Pupunta kami ng Ahmedabad. Gawa ng, finally po ay nakuha ko ng aking OCI. So, na-deliver na daw doon sa may office nila. So, me and Doc Milan. Good morning, Doc!
Going to Ahmedabad again. 200 kilometers of traveling.
Finally. But
So
finally
tired with the
na.
process? Yes.
Finally, it's done.
Because first time we would have it already. We didn't go to Maldives. But finally it's finished. No
Guys.
more visa.
Guys, there's a lot of obstacle before we even get this OCI. It took me 5 years.
No? 3?
Means 5 years of marriage.
No. You only after 2 years you can already have it.
Okay.
But
So,
we keep on going to Philippines. Maldives.
so ayan guys, it took us at least 3 years para ma-finish itong OCI process because first time kasi dapat makukuha ko na talaga yung OCI ko. Ready na kami for the interview, nag-submit na kami ng mga
Even
documents.
went to interview.
Magpapa-interview na lang kami that time, but what happened is, nung lumabas pala ako ng country, bawal pala yun. Stupidity. So right now, basically, I'm a overseas citizen of India already. So I'm Indian already, guys, because of Indian guy.
Not Indian. You are not Indian.
Because I'm married to an Indian. So ayan, we'll go and take our OCI and then babalitaan ko kayo. Guys, Milan is complaining to me. Before kasi, when we applied for the OCI, there's this rule that once OCI is already there, you don't have to go and renew it after 5 years. So it will be permanent. But this time kasi there's a new law sa FIRO. They are saying that first they will issue 5 years of OCI. After the 5 years of OCI, they have to check if you guys are still married. Probably because there's a lot of divorce cases and all. So they have to check again if you're married. Then that's the time they will go and give you the permanent OCI. So ayun, na sakto tayo doon sa rule na we have to renew after 5 years. But nevertheless, okay pa rin. I don't have to renew my visa for 5 years.
At least it's easy process.
It's easy process. They will just renew it, check. That time I think they will not
Now even this
interview a lot.
It's easy process. Right?
It's easy process.
We did not had a hard time. Online everything.
Everything is online, so no worry. So ayan, we'll be there after 1 hour. I'll update you. Ayan guys, kain lang tayo ng ating breakfast. So, good thing they have this Jagdish na Milan. Because most of the people who come here, they are doing stopover. Especially those who are going for the airport. Long road, no? So they can eat breakfast, lunch, dinner here. Snacks, whatever they want. So let's go. Let's go and find some place to sit. You can sit here. Ayan guys, we ordered sabu danawara, this bread pakoda, this Chinese samosa, meron tayo dito bataka puri and meron paturi. So this will be our breakfast / lunch for today. So ayan, kain tayo. Sarap ng pagkain namin, no? Kaya lagi. Harus lao may chakilaw. Alag-alaga yan. Yan guys. I like this family. With green chutney. This bread pakoda. Nakakawala. They have different sauce na. So good. Ayan.
Try this.
The one in the red.
Now it's chili. Bataka puri.
This. I like this one.
You like everything?
This one I like. This one I like. This one I like. Guys, so ayan, nakarating na po kami dito sa may FRRO office. So, hopefully wala masyadong tao para makuha natin agad yung ating OCI. Tumatawag si Mami, tinatanong niya kung nakarating na ba kami. So, ayan, pasok tayo sa loob. Guys, finally, so meron na po akong OCI card. So it's been how many years that we are working on this one? 3 years, guys. 3-4 years I'm working for this OCI card, and finally I'm officially a citizen of India.
Problem of documentation.
It's not a problem of documentation, guys. It's a problem of the person.
It's problem of person.
Because
it's problem of applicant.
It's the problem of the applicant, because the applicant wants to keep on going to the Philippines 6 months.
Yes.
So the requirement is not getting finished. So ayun, guys.
Even they was tired at the office.
Even they got tired.
They said that we already apply on the higher office that remove the 6-month rule. Because there is one person who is keep on going back 6 months.
So because
That's
of me,
what
they
they say.
change.
No,
Right.
not because of you they changed. They was just joking.
They implement.
But they remove the rule of 6 months.
So ayan, guys, finally I have it. Guys, so I am already a citizen of India. Finally, hindi ko na kailangan kumuha ng visa every year. Diyos ko po. Sobrang nakakapagod ang pagkuha ng visa. Sobrang nakakaubos ng nakakaubos ng kaalaman. So after 5 years magre-renew ako ulit, tapos okay na. Ang aking permanent residency dito sa India ay okay na, wala na akong problema. So ayun, guys, uwi na kami sa bahay, tapos balitaan ko kayo. Guys, sobrang mainit yung panahon ngayon. That's why we'll be buying yung tinatawag nilang Sikanji. So there's a lot of lemon tuwing summer season, and they're putting yelo and masala. So papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan, bili tayo. Dito si Doc Milan, mo-order na siya. So ito yung Sikanji kung tawagin nila. Meron tayong lemon dito. They cut the lemon, squeeze, tapos lalagyan ng masala. Sobrang init ngayon dito sa India, guys. Sobrang init, mas mainit sa Pilipinas. This is famous where, Milan? Ahmedabad. And this is from Delhi pala, guys. And meron silang chia seed na nilalagay, oh. They put chia seed, and then inside they put the flavor. Ayan. See? Ayan siya. Did you lock the car?
Yes.
So, ayan, sobrang init kasi ngayon eh. Sasakyan namin, guys. Take out. Which one you order? One lemon and one pudina, guys. Let's go. Ayan siya. Ha? I will go inside na. Ayan, may masala siyang nilagay. Then he put the chia seeds. That's the
पुदीना
pudina.
वो एक पुदीना
Kay na i-chalse.
एक पुदीना एक शादी
Okay. Taste it. Tasty. Good. Refreshing. Ayan guys, oh. That is what you call shikanju.
it's पुदीना
Ah, it's pudina. Sarap. So kung sa Pilipinas meron tayong buko, dito we have this shikanji. Kung tawagin nila, pampaalis ng uhaw sa mainit na panahon. Here. Ito yung shikanji. That is called pudina, may mint leaves. You pay first. Pay.
पुदीना
This one is better, I like it. Sarap. I like this one. What is this one?
lemon
Lemon. I like it.
he's sleeping
Ala yan! Kaita! Uy, tumara ding luwe. Hi! Huwag kang nagragaras. Nakragat lo. So, ayan guys, dumating na sila. So, meron kasing Hanuman Chalice dito sa may area namin. Kaya naman ay umuwi na sila. Baju, batay. Last, ubo pre no slash, ubo pre bo, very good siya marading lo. Uy, very good. Ay, galing naman. Napaka-independent naman yan. Uy, harkirite mo na. Wow, very good. Very good yan, oh. Guys, tignan nyo naman ang baby Iwan ko. Siya yung mag-isa. And we have here nilas mama. Kemcho. Right over here, mami. Ave, dan por gya itle. Santi, saras. Madja, avi gya. Mami, kemcho. Ave, Hanuman Chalice che, baju ma. Aprahot Hanuman Chalice jaye rate, guys. I will be showing it to you. Ari! Ari, bapre, daddy. Daddy, karas lang.
मजा आई
Eh.
बस तू कर
Oh, bapre. Bapre, bap. Very good. Very good, che. Ore, bapre, very good. No. Wow! Gondo-gondo naman ng ball ng ibon ko, Ay guys, binili daw ng lola niya doon. Mahal na mahal ang baby Iwan, Dahil sagana sa luruan, sagana sa damit, sagana sa lahat. Ball! Uy! Bapre! Galing niya na. Ay, galing. Ganda-ganda. Uy! Ball! Tika-tika-ting. Daddy. Daddy, son. ચાલો બાપરે ચાલો મને આપ મને આપો ચલો
દાદી
લે મને
લાઈ.
આપો મામી મામી
ફેંકું મેં અહીંયા
લઈ લે ને કઈ ના બધું શીખી ગયા લે બ્લાથી નાખી દે બ્લાથી નાખો સાકર ઉય
અરે બાપરે
વેરી ગુડ
લે ચાલ્યો
કાઢો બીજો બોલ ના કાઢો
Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
dirty Iban
પીચી
Pichi? Just very dirty, no, Ivan? Uy, very dirty. Very dirty, no?
આ લાઈ
Very dirty, no? Ah, Pichi kar, tukar.
પછી બીજું બીજું તો બોલાય છું એવું કેમ વાહ ફુવા પાછું બીજું નહીં બોલાય નહીં પપ્પા મમ્મી નહીં